Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable two-step verification with a physical security key in Schwab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is simply get logged in into your Schwab account. Once you log in into your Schwab account, all you can do is simply click on your profile in the top right corner. Once you click on the profile on the top right corner, now you can simply select security settings from the drop down menu bar. After this, you can simply enable two-step verification by finding in the find information section. After this, you can simply contact Schwab for physical key setup. You can simply email them, or you can simply have them call or tag them or chat with them through their bot. So you can register your physical security and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.